You know this plant. I know this plant. Everyone does. No matter where you grew up, chances are you've crossed paths with it, maybe in your backyard, a city park, or even peeking through a crack in the pavement. It's a plant that connects generations, cultures, and continents. It's the little burst of sunshine in our lawns and the fuzzy white puffball we loved to blow as kids. For many, the dandelion is a symbol of childhood wonder. How many wishes have been sent floating on the wind thanks to those delicate seeds? We're talking about the dandelion, instantly recognizable yet often overlooked. It's a plant that's both ordinary and extraordinary. You'll find it pushing through city sidewalks and dotting meadows worldwide. Whether in the heart of a bustling city or the quiet countryside, dandelions thrive wherever they land. It's one of the most recognizable plants on Earth, a true survivor and world traveler. Its ability to adapt to almost any environment is nothing short of remarkable. Most of us see dandelions every spring and summer, often as a nuisance or a cheerful sign of warmer days. Some people wage war against them, while others welcome their golden blooms as a sign that winter is finally over. But how often do we really look at them? This plant has more secrets than you might think. There's a whole world hidden in plain sight right at our feet. It's not just a weed, it's a powerhouse of nature. Dandelions are among the first flowers to bloom in spring, providing vital food for bees and other pollinators when little else is available. Dandelions are food, medicine, and a vital part of the ecosystem. Their leaves, roots, and flowers have been used for centuries in traditional remedies and as nutritious greens. They've marched alongside human history, continent by continent. From ancient herbalists to modern gardeners, people have found value in this humble plant. Let's get up close. That bright yellow head isn't one flower but a cluster of tiny florets, a perfect landing pad for pollinators. Each floret is a complete flower, making the dandelion a miniature bouquet. Its strong green stem holds a milky sap, and below ground a deep taproot anchors it firmly. This taproot can reach deep into the soil, drawing up nutrients and making the plant nearly impossible to eradicate. Every part of the dandelion is designed for success. Its seeds travel far and wide, carried by the gentlest breeze, ensuring the next generation finds a new home. It's a masterpiece of evolution built to thrive and endure. No matter the challenge, drought, mowing, or concrete, dandelions find a way. So join me as we dive into the world of the dandelion. There's so much more to this plant than meets the eye. We'll uncover its hidden history and global journey, tracing how it spread across continents and cultures. We'll explore its survival toolkit, and see how it supports the environment, from pollinators to soil health. We'll discover how people have used it for centuries in kitchens, medicine cabinets, and even folklore. It's time to change how we see this common flower. The dandelion is more than just a weed. It's a story of resilience, beauty, and connection. Let's give the dandelion the respect it deserves. Its story is one of survival, adaptation, and quiet strength. Ready to see this plant in a whole new light? Let's go. The journey of the dandelion is just beginning, and there's a world of wonder waiting to be discovered. The dandelion story is one of travel and adventure, a tale that spans continents and centuries, carried on the wind and in the footsteps of people. Its journey began in the vast meadows and grasslands of Eurasia, where it flourished among wildflowers and ancient civilizations. For thousands of years, dandelions thrived in these open spaces, quietly weaving themselves into the fabric of daily life. People valued the dandelion for its versatility, using its leaves as nutritious greens, its roots for medicinal teas, and its flowers for remedies and even wine. Long before it crossed oceans, it was a trusted companion in kitchens and apothecaries. But how did this humble plant conquer the world? With a clever travel partner, us. Humans became the dandelion's greatest ally, intentionally and accidentally helping it spread far beyond its original home. Early European settlers brought dandelion seeds to new lands, packing them alongside other essential crops. They knew dandelions were a reliable source of food and medicine, especially in unfamiliar territories. Sometimes dandelions were stowaways, seeds mixed with harvested grains clinging to boots or tangled in wool. Even when not invited, they found a way to tag along. Imagine a tiny seed hitching a ride across the Atlantic, braving salt air and storms, then landing in a new world. With just a bit of soil and sunlight, it would sprout, beginning a new chapter far from home. Once introduced, dandelions found perfect conditions in cleared fields, pastures, and the disturbed ground left by human activity. They quickly took root wherever people settled. Dandelions didn't care about soil quality or climate. They grew in rocky, sandy, or rich earth in both arid and lush environments. Their resilience was unmatched. Their adaptability made them unstoppable, allowing them to thrive in places where other plants struggled, even breaking through cracks in sidewalks and roads. With help from the wind, humans, and animals, dandelions spread across continents, their seeds floating for miles or hitching rides on fur and clothing. They went from a European herb to a global citizen, now found on every continent except Antarctica. Today, dandelions are one of the most successful plant pioneers in history, transforming landscapes and thriving in places both wild and urban. The dandelion's journey is a testament to resilience and adaptability, a living symbol of persistence in the face of change. It's a plant that followed us wherever we went, thriving along our roads, in our parks, and beside our homes. From backyard lawns to wild fields, from city sidewalks to remote meadows, dandelions are everywhere, reminding us of nature's ability to adapt and endure. The dandelion's global story is just beginning, as it continues to find new places to grow and new ways to surprise us. And for this remarkable traveler, the journey is far from over. What makes the dandelion unstoppable? It's all about survival superpowers. Underground, its deep taproot finds water and nutrients long after the surface dries up. Try pulling one out. If you leave even a bit of root, it regrows. That's resilience. Above ground, its seed dispersal is genius. After pollination, the yellow flower becomes a white puffball, each seed attached to a parachute. A breeze sends seeds flying, sometimes for miles. Dandelion seeds land anywhere, lawns, cracks, flower pots, and grow with just a little sun and moisture. This combo of tough root and airborne seeds makes dandelions survival champions. They thrive where others can't. Their biology is built for persistence. That's why you see them everywhere. The dandelion is nature's ultimate comeback artist. To nature, the dandelion is a hero, not a pest. It's one of the first spring food sources for bees and pollinators when little else blooms. Butterflies and other insects rely on its nectar and pollen. Dandelions help sustain pollinators that in turn help grow our food. Their taproots break up compacted soil, letting air and water in, nature's own plow. They draw up minerals from deep below, enriching the topsoil when they decompose. Birds eat the seeds, rabbits and deer munch the leaves. Dandelions support a web of life above and below ground. A lawn full of dandelions is a sign of a healthy ecosystem. They're generous providers, quietly improving the world around them. The next time you see a dandelion, remember, it's working for nature. It's a keystone plant, not just a weed. The dandelion is a quiet champion of biodiversity. For centuries, dandelions were cherished not just as a common plant, but as a vital source of both food and medicine. Across continents and generations, people recognized the humble dandelion's remarkable versatility and value. Young dandelion leaves, tender and slightly bitter, are a springtime staple in salads across Europe and the Mediterranean. Their fresh, vibrant flavor has long been celebrated in kitchens from Italy to Greece, where they're tossed with olive oil and lemon. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and calcium, dandelion greens are more nutritious than many store-bought greens. They offer a natural boost to any meal, supporting health in ways that modern diets often lack. The golden flowers are transformed into dandelion wine, a taste of sunshine in a bottle, capturing the essence of spring. This homemade tradition has brought families together for generations, marking the change of seasons. The roasted root, with its rich, earthy flavor, is a caffeine-free coffee substitute. Especially during times when coffee was scarce or expensive, dandelion root coffee offered comfort and warmth, connecting people to the land. Dandelion's scientific name, Taraxacum officinale, hints at its long-standing medicinal history. Apothecaries and herbalists prized it for its healing properties, passing down knowledge through generations. Used as a diuretic and liver tonic in Europe, dandelion was a go-to remedy for many ailments. It was believed to cleanse the body, support digestion, and restore balance, an essential part of traditional herbal medicine. In traditional Chinese medicine, dandelion is valued for its ability to clear heat, treat infections, and support liver health. Its use spans thousands of years, woven into the fabric of holistic healing practices. Native Americans brewed dandelion teas for everything from kidney issues to skin irritations. They understood the plant's power, using it as both a daily tonic and a remedy in times of need. Across cultures and continents, the dandelion was a respected plant ally, valued for its resilience, adaptability, and the nourishment it provided to communities everywhere. It was never just a weed, it was a trusted source of nourishment and healing, woven into the daily lives and traditions of people around the world. The world's pantry and medicine cabinet once grew wild in our lawns. Perhaps it's time to rediscover the gifts that dandelions still offer, right outside our doors. The dandelion is woven into our folklore and childhood memories. Who hasn't made a wish and blown its seeds, hoping dreams would ride the wind? Folklore says the number of puffs to clear the seeds tells the hour, or if someone loves you. The yellow flower symbolizes the sun, hope, and resilience. The white puffball, the moon, and letting go. Blowing seeds is a ritual of release and trust in the future. The dandelion story is about holding on and letting go, joy in the present, hope for tomorrow. It's a symbol of life's cycles and the magic in the ordinary. How did the dandelion become a villain in our lawns? The weed label is a modern invention born from the quest for perfect, uniform grass. Advertising and herbicides cast dandelions as enemies of the suburban dream, but a weed is just a plant growing where we don't want it. The dandelion is simply good at surviving. It challenges our desire for control and reminds us nature is wild and diverse. Killing dandelions means losing food for bees, soil improvement, and free nutrition. Is a sterile lawn really better than one buzzing with life? Maybe it's time to rethink what we call a weed. The dandelion's value is in its resilience and generosity. Let's see beauty in diversity, not just uniformity. The dandelion is more than a common plant, it's a teacher. Its first lesson: resilience. Pulled, poisoned, or mowed, it always returns. It thrives in adversity, never giving up. Second lesson: generosity. Dandelions feed pollinators, enrich soil, and offer food and medicine to animals and people. They give freely, asking nothing in return. Most importantly, dandelions teach us to question labels. What we call a weed may be a survivor, healer, and vital part of our world. The dandelion reminds us to look closer and value the overlooked. Next time you see one, see a survivor, a provider, a symbol of hope. Even the smallest things can have extraordinary strength and purpose. The humble dandelion is a lesson in resilience and generosity. Let's celebrate its story, not erase it. What a remarkable creature.